how to use manual focus on the FZ82 camera. So let's power it on, and currently it's in P mode, and to set it into manual focus we have a dedicated button here. So press that button. Okay, and by pressing it, go to MF and accept it with the middle button. So that's in manual focus. Now to bring up the settings, press the left arrow. Left arrow will bring up this slider plus a zoomed in area there in the center. The zoomed in area is visible only before recording. If you already pressed the record button, then the zoom area will disappear. Here we have the mountains, so that is focusing to a distant object, and a flower that is focusing to a closer object. So you can either move it down, it's even showing it here on the horizontal, okay, or we can move it up and zoom further away. The one arrow moves it slower, the two arrows moves that slider faster. You can use the left and right arrows also. Right arrow will focus to a closer object, and left arrow to a more distant object. And it's even displaying those blue dots to see when the image is in focus. Okay, you can zoom in to that magnified area with that button to go to full screen or come back. Let's defocus it first. Let's say there. You can use autofocus also. So if I place my hand there, press that AF, it's trying at least to focus automatically. You can move this area to the left or right to the desired position. You can reset the position of that by going here to MF area and reset, and that sets it back to the center. If you already started recording, now it's recording, then bring up the focusing slider with the left arrow and use either these to go further or to come closer with the focus, or use these right and left arrows. Okay, you cannot go with this button to autofocus, you have to press that one. That focuses automatically. Okay, so that's the manual focus on this FZ82 camera. Thanks for watching and bye bye.